Today I'd like to review the Zevo flying insect traps, which the manufacturer states will permanently trap houseflies, fruit flies, gnats, and more 24/7. The real question is, if you're dealing with fruit flies or gnats indoors, does this Zevo trap actually work? Well, I tested it in an area where I was having an issue with the active flying insect. Setup is simple. This is the base, and this is the where you would plug it into the outlet, and it has a LED light which glows and attracts the insects. You simply remove the plastic protective covering from the adhesive cartridge, and you simply place that into the base as such. Now let's plug it in. Once it's plugged in, and the blue UV light will attract the flying insects towards the trap, and they will become caught in the adhesive pet. Now placement is very important. Position it near the source of activity. In this case, close to some herbs from my garden. But you can place it near a fruit bowl or a trash area, or anywhere near where there is a lot of activity of flying insects. Now the trap operates continuously without sprays, odors, loud zapping sounds, or insecticides being released into the room. And it's quiet, so you don't have to worry about it running all day and night. Now, to demonstrate its effectiveness, I check the cartridge before plugging in, and then after 24 hours, and then again after 3 days. And let's take a look how it did. This is after 24 hours, and you can see that there's a good number of the fruit flies and a few moths that have attached to the adhesive backing. Now, after 3 days, you could see there's a lot more fruit flies, some flies, and some moths. So it is effective. Now, when the cartridge needs replacing, there's no mess or getting chemicals all over you. The blinking blue light reminds you to let you know that it's time to check the cartridge, and that's generally about 6 weeks. To change the cartridge, you just remove one, take off the backing of another one, flip it into the unit. Now, the package includes a single base with the LED light and 3 adhesive refills. Now, overall, it does provide a quiet, discreet, spray-free way to catch fruit flies and gnats, especially when it's placed to where they're gathering. I don't want to mislead you and make you think that this is an instant solution or the only step you need. You'll also have to wash your fruits, or clean your drains, empty your trash, but this is a safe way to catch flying insects, especially around children and pets. And for that reason, for me, it's a definite gotta get.